When DJI launched the Osmo Pocket 3, it quickly became a favorite for vloggers, travelers, and content creators looking for a compact, high-quality camera. It brought a large 1-inch sensor, great stabilization, and a bright flip-out screen, all in a pocket-sized body. Now, with rumors surrounding the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 heating up, many are curious about what this next version might improve. While the Pocket 4 hasn't been officially announced yet, several rumored upgrades paint an exciting picture. Let's compare the current Pocket 3 with what we might expect from the upcoming Pocket 4, focusing on possible improvements in sensor performance, video quality, stabilization, smart features, and more. The Osmo Pocket 3 made a huge leap forward by including a 1-inch CMOS sensor, which was a major upgrade over the smaller sensors used in previous models. This larger sensor helps the Pocket 3 deliver impressive low-light performance, more natural background blur, and overall better image quality. The Pocket 4 is rumored to keep this same 1-inch sensor, which makes sense. It's a solid choice that offers a good balance of size and performance. However, it may get a boost in terms of processing power. With a new processor under the hood, the Pocket 4 might offer improved image processing, better dynamic range, and advanced computational photography features, such as improved HDR and faster image capture. One key rumored upgrade is the inclusion of 10-bit color recording in both D-Log-M and HDR video modes. This would be a major enhancement for color grading and post-production, giving creators much more flexibility. While the Pocket 3 is limited to 8-bit color, jumping to 10-bit means smoother gradients, more accurate colors, and fewer issues with banding in high-contrast scenes. The Pocket 3 already records high-quality video, including 4K up to 60 frames per second and slow motion at up to 240 frames per second in full HD. It also offers various formats for different aspect ratios like 16:9:1:1 and vertical 9:16, making it a versatile tool for social media and professional use alike. However, the Pocket 4 is expected to push things further. While still supporting 4K, it may offer higher frame rates, such as 4K at 120 frames per second, which would be ideal for cinematic slow-motion footage without sacrificing resolution. The rumored improvements in dynamic range and 10-bit color would also help preserve more details in highlights and shadows, which is especially useful for filmmakers. Moreover, thanks to the rumored new processor, the Pocket 4 may be able to handle higher video bitrates than the current 130 megabits per second limit found on the Pocket 3. This would result in cleaner video with less compression, especially in scenes with a lot of movement or detail. DJI's gimbal stabilization is already one of the best in the compact camera world, and the Pocket 3 delivers impressively smooth footage even when walking or moving quickly. Still, there's room for improvement. One area that users often ask about is Z-axis stabilization, the up and down motion that happens while walking. The Pocket 4 is rumored to bring enhancements here, either through better mechanical stabilization or software algorithms that further smooth out footage. These improvements could make a noticeable difference in handheld shooting, especially in vlog-style content or fast-moving environments. Alongside this, DJI might also fine-tune its gimbal response and speed to allow more cinematic camera movements and better control when tracking subjects. Autofocus on the Pocket 3 is generally fast and accurate, but the rumored upgrades for the Pocket 4 suggest it will get a big boost. Features like phase detection autofocus, PDAF, and eye tracking are expected to be added, which would make it even easier to keep subjects sharp, especially when they're moving. Eye tracking would be particularly useful for solo creators who need the camera to stay focused on their face, even as they move around the frame. Enhanced AI tracking is also on the table. DJI's Active Track is already quite good, But the next generation could be faster and more intelligent, making it easier to follow complex motion or keep track of multiple people. This could also lead to improvements in the camera's automatic shooting modes, such as time-lapse, hyperlapse, and motion-lapse, by making them smarter and more customizable. The Pocket 3 includes 3 microphones for directional sound capture, which already delivers pretty good audio, especially for a camera this small. Still, the Pocket 4 might improve further with better wind noise reduction and upgraded audio processing. DJI may also tweak the microphone layout or add features like audio zoom or spatial sound recording to appeal to more advanced users. On the display side, the Pocket 3 has a 2-inch touchscreen that rotates to face the user. It's sharp, colorful, and bright at 700 nits, making it usable even outdoors. While we don't expect a major change here, some minor upgrades. In-touch sensitivity, UI responsiveness, or brightness could be in the works. An optional setting for higher brightness in direct sunlight or a slightly larger screen would be welcome, but even the current screen is quite solid for most users. In terms of size and design, the Pocket 3 measures 139.7 by 42.2 by 33.5 millimeters and weighs 179 grams. It's compact and easy to carry, which is a big selling point. The Pocket 4 will likely follow a similar form factor, though a slightly refined body could bring better ergonomics or a more comfortable grip. One of the more exciting rumored upgrades is a built-in 1/4-inch 20 screw mount, which would eliminate the need for additional accessories to mount the camera on tripods or other gear. That alone could be a small but meaningful improvement for creators. Another big request from the community has been weather resistance. The Pocket 3 doesn't offer any official dust or water resistance, but the Pocket 4 might change that. Even just a basic level of splash or dust protection would add peace of mind for outdoor shooters, travel vloggers, and action users. Battery life on the Pocket 3 is quite decent, offering up to 166 minutes of recording time at 1080p per 24 FPS with the screen and Wi-Fi turned off. Charging is fast too, reaching 80% in just 16 minutes with the proper charger. Still, more is always better, and the Pocket 4 may offer a larger battery or improved power efficiency thanks to its new processor. This could translate into longer run times even at higher resolutions, which is especially helpful for creators who shoot in 4K all day. Both cameras rely on microSD cards for storage, with the Pocket 3 supporting up to 1 TB cards and no internal storage. That's likely to stay the same with the Pocket 4, although we may see support for even faster cards or slightly better file management options. There's also a chance DJI could introduce new magnetic lens attachments, allowing for easier swapping of ND filters, wide-angle lenses, or macro lenses to expand creative options on the go. The DJI OSMO Pocket 3 is already a powerful and compact camera that delivers professional-looking results, but the rumored DJI OSMO Pocket 4 could take things to the next level. With potential upgrades like improved color depth, higher frame rate 4K video, phase detection autofocus, better stabilization, and enhanced durability, it seems DJI is listening closely to user feedback. While we still have to wait for the official launch to confirm all the details, the Pocket 4 looks set to be an exciting step forward for anyone looking to shoot high-quality video in a small portable package.